Hey guys, so I am gonna show you what I do to deep condition my hair because I don't have anything that I'm filming yet. So this is my hair basically after 6 days not really washing it. I mean, I probably could style it and dry shampoo it and make it look better, but it really needs some coconut oil. So I use coconut oil all the time. I use it, I oil pull with it, I put it in my hair, I take off my eye makeup with it. It's my holy grail. I absolutely love it. And then comment below if you have other like tips and tricks to use coconut oil, cause I'm obsessed and I would love to know what you guys do with your coconut oil. I don't make scrubs with it because I know some people do, but I don't because it can harden and clog your drains and stuff. So when I take off my eye makeup and stuff, I use paper towels, I wipe it off. I don't rinse my hands, I wipe my hands off with paper towels. When I oil pull, I spit it out into a bag because I don't want to clog my drain. First I brush out my hair. Honestly, I use a ton of coconut oil in my hair. And honestly, you can use as much as you want, just make sure you at least get it out. So I just run my fingers. I tend to just mostly put it on the ends, and then I do put it in my scalp and stuff, but not as much. Normally just the leftover on my hands, I rub it through my scalp. Put my hair up in an elastic. I don't even have a mirror in front of me. Oh, that's my shaved part, just casually sticking out. And it's sideways. Okay, so I'm checking back with you guys for a second. I am actually gonna keep the coconut oil in my hair all day today because I'm just staying home. I'll be cleaning, so perfect way to just keep it in all day, and then it will be extra juicy and delicious. Praying for me, praying for safety when they hug him. Amen. God bless you. They all hug him. God bless you, man. Yeah, man. It's so sweet. It's very sweet. And there you have it, folks.
I'll get that off me.
Your arm looks thin.
That's about the only thing. Oh, that was awesome.
This is how short I am in real life. I promise.
'Cause I'm happy.
Just kidding.
I'm gonna take it over there, please. I'm happy to time.
It's a video.
I hate you.
You're welcome.
She's driving me nuts.
Oh, don't tell them that. I'm the best daughter you've ever had. What was that? Did you just burp?
Lindsey Ray.
I just turned it on. Sometimes I just turn things on. Excuse me.
Isn't it cute? Jesse Nelson's kids are in Disney. Oh my god.
I know, they're so cute. Shout out to Jesse. We met you.
So cute, Jesse. So cute.
There's a bird up in that tree that keeps talking to us, and it's so annoying. Now it's not gonna chirp. Did you hear it? There was a chirp. Now I'm gonna get copyrighted. So cute. Mwah. Eyes. Guess what? I have to go to the dentist today. And I have a cavity back here. I'm really sad. So the next time you'll probably see me, I'll be like drooling and whatnot, but that's the scoop. Oh. Do I look funny today? Because I actually got a filling. And so this whole side of my mouth is completely numb.
It's your only filling.
Just completely numb. What?
You can say it's your only filling. You have great teeth, but you have one filling now at the age of 22.
I didn't go to the dentist for 2 years, and then I went, and then I had a big old filling. He took a picture of it, and I saw it. So I'll be numb for a while, and I didn't even eat today. So we're getting Starbucks. It's the worst feeling. I feel like I'm gonna just take a chunk out of my tongue. You know? Oh well. At least we got it taken care of. She coughs.
Sorry.
Her lipstick looks great though.
It's thank you.
I would wear it. So now we're at Starbucks. Oh wait, I already said that. And I'm getting
It's a new drink.
no it's not. It's just a macchiato with coconut milk.
Yeah, but they never marketed it.
I know, but I've gotten it before with coconut milk. I get everything at Starbucks with coconut milk. It's delish. I sound horrible. Goodbye. Try this.
Why is Dave
Let's see if I
Chevrolet
can
picking up
even-
that girl?
I don't know. You ask her. I'm gonna see if I can even drink.
I'm going out. I don't know why he's still sitting there.
What tastes so funny when you're numb?
Why does your taster not work?
Still good. Cheese.
I guess I'll go ahead and pull out.
Oh well.